Hi there, thanks for tuning in. My name is Dragos and I'm a product manager at Pentest-Tools. In today's video, I'm going to show you all the ways to create custom findings, a useful feature which allows you to write down your findings in seconds. Let's not waste any time and jump right into it. There are multiple ways to create a custom finding on our platform, and I'll cover all of them in the following minutes. You can create a new finding completely from scratch, customize a finding by cloning an existing one, use a predefined finding template, or create your own finding template once and use it every time you need it. Let's start by creating a new finding from scratch. To do this, I'll go to Findings and click on the Add button. Here we have access to all sections of a finding: description, evidence, recommendation, and different classification. You can create tables, add screenshots, links, or lists to make your findings more readable. Another way to generate a custom finding is by cloning an existing one. This is useful if you want to polish the vulnerability details discovered by our tools before including them in a report. To do this, you just need to find the finding you are interested in and hit the clone button. Once you've created the clone, you can easily edit any detail of it and customize it as you wish. Some vulnerabilities are more common than others, and there is no point in spending valuable time writing it over and over again. With predefined finding templates, you can easily avoid the daunting experience of starting a new one from scratch. To make use of them, go to Add Screen again, but now let's try the Load Finding Template feature. All of these templates are predefined and ready to use. If I choose, for example, Remote File Inclusion, we can see that the risk is automatically switched to high, and some of the finding sections and classifications are also preloaded from the template. You can continue to edit, add missing details, and save the finding when ready. Last but not least, you can also create your custom finding template. For this, let's go to Reports, Finding Templates, and here you can see all of the default templates we just discussed about. Furthermore, you can see that I already have a custom template which I can use when creating a manual finding. To create your own template, all you have to do is hit the Add button and add all of the details you want about this finding. Let's use this custom template by going back to Finding, hit Add, and choose the Authentication Bypass finding. I'll also add a screenshot from our pentestground.com free resource and just hit Save. It took me just a couple of seconds to have this important finding written for my target. Now that I have all the findings I need, all I need to do is to create my pentest report. To do this, let's select the finding we just created earlier and mix it with some of the findings generated by our tools. Hit Generate Report, and I will choose DocX for this demo. Please keep in mind that this type of report is available for some of our plans. And there we have it. The report is ready and you can have a look and see our findings. To sum it up, in today's video we covered the following topics: how to create a manual finding from scratch, how to customize findings coming from a scanner, and how to avoid repetitive tasks by trying custom or predefined finding templates. That's all you need to know for now. Feel free to explore this feature on your own and tell us in the comment section below how it works for you. Until next time.